Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for class +1 students of mathematics and topic name is straight lines. I already upload videos on straight lines. I will give link in description. You may download from there. And today's topic is how to find slope of a straight line and different forms of straight lines. So let's begin. First of all, what is slope of a line? Slope is inclination or gradient of a line from its horizontal is called slope, and slope is denoted by m, which is equal to tangent of angle, that is m is equal to tangent theta. If angle is given, then slope is equal to tangent of theta. For example, if theta is equal to 45 degree, then slope is equal to tangent of 45 degree, that is 1. M is equal to 1. But if theta is not given in the question, then if we have a straight line A, B, and if coordinates are given x1, y1 and x2, y2, then slope is given by this formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. For example, if we have 2 points x1, y1, 3, 8 and x2, y2, 7, 12, then m is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 12 minus 8, and x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus 3. By simplifying, we get m is equal to 1. In this way, we will find out the value of slope. Now we will discuss about various forms of straight lines. First is horizontal and vertical lines, point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, and normal form. Horizontal and vertical lines. Line parallel to x-axis or line parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to x-axis is horizontal line and line parallel to y-axis is vertical line. And equation of these lines is equal to y is equal to a and x is equal to b, and equation of this line is equal to x is equal to minus b and y is equal to minus a. Now question is, what is the equation of x-axis? Because at x-axis value of y is 0. So equation of x-axis is equal to y is equal to 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis, because at y-axis value of x is 0, so equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Next, 2 points form. 2 points form y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. If 1 point and slope is given, like this. Slope is m and 1 point is given. Then equation is written as y minus y naught is equal to m x minus x naught. This is equation of 1 point slope form. If 1 point is given and slope is given, then equation may be written as this type. Next, if slope and one intercept is given, if only one intercept is given and slope is given, slope is m and intercept is c, then equation is written as y is equal to mx plus c. This is slope intercept form. Next, intercept form. If both intercepts are given, then equation is, this is intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Next is normal form. Equation of normal form is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. Now we will solve some examples related with different types of straight lines. Slope intercept form is also called gradient intercept form because slope is also known as gradient. Next, gradient and 1 point form. Slope 1 point form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is intercept form or double intercept form. If both intercepts are given, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. To prove that given points are collinear, gradient of AB is equal to gradient of BC. Slope of line AB is equal to slope of BC. Then A, B and C are collinear points, that is these 3 points lie in same straight line. Now first example. Write y is equal to 3x plus 1 by 2 in general form. Now by taking LCM, 2y is equal to 6x plus 1, that is 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is general form of equation. What is the gradient and y-intercept of the line? This divide this equation by 4, we get y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is slope, so value of slope is minus 2 and c is intercept and value of intercept is 3. Next question. What is the equation of the line through the point 2, 7 with the gradient of 3 by 4? In this question, 1 point is given and slope is given. Now by using point intercept form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y minus y1 means x1 and y1, that is x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 7. Y minus y1, that is 7, is equal to slope is 3 by 4, x minus x1 is 2, and by simplifying we get y is equal to 3 by 4x plus 11 by 2. Next question is also similar. You can easily solve it. If a line passes through point 06 and the inclination is 60 degree, find the equation of the line. This is also one point and slope form. Inclination is equal to 60 degree. Now slope is equal to tangent of 60 degree, which is further equal to 1/3. Now slope is equal to 1/3 and one point is given. By using point intercept form, y minus y1 is equal to 6 is equal to slope, that is √3, x minus x1, which is equal to 0. And by solving this, we get y is equal to √3x plus 6. Next, find the equation of the straight line with y-intercept is equal to, y-intercept is given -2, that is c is equal to -2 and m is equal to 3/2. By using slope intercept form, which is equal to y is equal to mx plus c, and by replacing m with 3/2 and c with -2, we get this equation. Next, find the equation of the straight line with x-intercept 2 and y-intercept 6. This is intercept form or double intercept form, because both intercepts are given. X-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 6. By using intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, we will get desired results. X by 2 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Now by taking LCM, next, what is the equation of the line through the point? One point is given and slope is given. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. By putting the values and solving this, we get the desired result. Next, show that the points A 2, 5, B 6, 11 and C -6, -7 lie on a straight line. Lie on a straight line means these 3 points are collinear. For this, we have to prove that gradient of these lines is equal, that is gradient of AB is equal to gradient of AC and gradient of AB is equal to gradient of AC. Now if 2 points are given, then gradient is calculated by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to 3/2 in each case. So because gradient are equal, that is slopes are equal, so points are collinear, they lie in a straight line. Next question, find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining the points 1, 1 and 2, 3. Find the equation of the right bisector, that is find the equation of CD. Let CD be the right bisector of AB, where A is 1, 1 and B is 2, 3. Now because this is bisector, that is midpoint of AB. Now according to midpoint formula is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 1 plus 2 by 2, which is further equal to 3/2, and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal to 2. Now slope of AB is calculated by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Similarly, slope of CD, because these are perpendicular lines and for perpendicular lines, slopes product is equal to -1 because slope of AB is 2 and this is perpendicular line, so its slope is -1 by 2. Now equation of right bisector CD. Now because one point is given and slope of this right bisector is also given, now by using one point and slope form, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Now by solving this we get 2x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. Next question. The equation of the line is 3x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Find its slope, x and y intercepts. Now to find out slope of straight line, slope is equal to minus of coefficient of x, that is 3, divided by coefficient of y, that is -4. So slope is equal to 3 by 4. Now to find x and y intercepts, divide this equation by -10. 3x by -10 minus 4y by -10 is equal to 1, or x by -10 by 3 plus y by 5 by 2 is equal to 1. It is standard form of intercept form. So intercepts are -10 by 3 and 5 by 2. Next question. Write equation of x-axis and y-axis. Since every point on x-axis has y coordinate 0, this is x-axis, and at x-axis every y coordinate is equal to 0. So equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Similarly, for y-axis every x coordinate is equal to 0. So equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Next, passing through point -4, 3 with slope 1 by 2. This is very easy question for you. You can easily solve this. One point is given and slope is given by using point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1 by simplifying. X minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next, passing through point 0, 0 with slope m. Y minus 0 is equal to m. X minus 0, that is y is equal to mx. Next question. Passing through the point 2 under 3 and inclined with x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. Now for slope, we have to find out m is equal to tangent of 75 degree, that is tan of 45 plus 30 degree. Now by using formula, tan of 45 plus tan of 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now by using values of tan 45 is equal to 1 and tan 30 is equal to 1 by √3, and by solving this we get tan 75 is equal to √3 plus 1 divided by √3 minus 1. And required equation is y minus 2 under root 3 y minus y1, because one point is given, is equal to, this is m x minus x1, and by solving this we get the desired equation. Okay students, now you will solve some more examples related with various types of equations. Thank you.